Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. We aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and in today's video, we'll be continuing the construction of the epicycloid, which we started in the previous video. Now we'll be starting the video now. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, all we're gonna do now is copy the circle and put it at these in those centers going around. So this is O1, O2, O3, O4. Let me label it for you. So we go send single line text. I'm gonna turn off object snap. This point would be O1. This point would be O2. This point here would be O3. This point here would be O4. This point here would be O5. This point here would be O6. O6. This one would be O7. This center here would be O8. This one would be O9. This one would be O10. This one would be O11. And this one would be O12. What we're going to do now, from these centers, we're going to mark the radius to intersect the points on the circle coming around, okay? All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to number the points on the circle so you can follow. Single line text, we're going to turn off ortho. And this point would be 0, it's already 0. This point here would be 1. This would be, I'm going to make it 3. This would be 1. This point would be 2. This point would be 3. This point would be 4. This point would be 6. This would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this point here would be 12. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna mark an arc from these centers O1, O2, O3, and the radius will be equal to the diameter of the circle. So let's put the diameter of the circle on the drawing so you can follow. So we have diameter. We click the circle. Indicate the diameter right there. So the radius would be 45 millimeters. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here, we're gonna start, center, start, end. So the center would be, I'm gonna turn on object snap, would be here, right? The radius would be 45. We're gonna mark an arc on here. So we're intersect, we're 1, this would be 1. This would be 1. So where this arc intersect, that would be the point. All right, so let's go again. We're gonna go 2. Start, center, end. So the center is here. We need it on 2 would be up here. So we need 45. Enter. Would be right there. All right. 3 would be this arc coming around. Right. So from the center 3, So the third one would the third arc would be here, 3. So 3 is this arc and this is the center here, right? So from here we're gonna mark an arc 45 millimeters. So the center is at 3. The radius is 45. And we need it to come down and cut this line, right? Just like that. Good. All right, 4 now. 4 is here. And 4 is this arc. Here's a 4, right? So we're gonna go center, start, end. So the center is here. The radius is 45. And that would be the point there, okay? All right, we're gonna do 5 now. So 5 would be this. Would be this. All right, this is numbered wrong, right? So this one, this should be 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is not 11. This is 10. This is 11. And this one is 0/12. All right. So 0/12. All right. Good. I hope you spot that correction before I did. All right. Good. So the fifth one, which is here, this arc coming around would be this is where the arc would need to intersect from that we draw with center 05. All right. So let us go now. Center start in at 5. The radius would be 45. So center start in at 5. The radius would be 45. I'll mark it here, right? Intersect the fifth one. The sixth one, we don't have to mark it. We can actually extend it to go at the top. As a matter of fact, it wouldn't intersect it as how we want. So we're gonna type the word AX for the shortcut for extend. I'm gonna click this line, that line, and that would be where is the top one. So 6 is coming around. So where this intersect this point, that is the top. All right, so from 7, 7 would be this arc coming around. We're going to mark an arc from 7 to intersect there, right? Come again. Start center, end center is here. Radius is 45, enter, and we just mark it coming right there. All right. Let us draw a line. Let us break it. Let's break. So we go there, break. So we click this, enter, and the break point we can choose right here. Enter. And when we click on it, there's two lines, and we just delete this part, okay? So just click on it and press delete. All right, good. So that's 7. 8 now. 8 will be the next arc coming around here. 8 will be this one coming around. So we're going to mark an arc from 08, center 8, and we're going to mark it there, right? So we're going to go center, start in. So the center is here. We're going to mark 45, enter, and this will be the R. Okay? We're going to do 9. So center, start in at 9. 9 would be the top arc coming around, right? So we're going to need 45, enter, and then we mark it right here, right? Then we need 10. 10 will be this arc, right? So we're gonna come here now. Start center in from 10. The arc would be 45. Enter, and we mark on it, right? Then 11 now, which should be the last one because 12 we don't need to plot to it. Center, radius 45, mark an arc, right? 12 would be right where this arc intersects this line. All right, so let's plot it now. So we're going to go to, we have come to the end of part 2 of the construction of the epicycloid. We thank you for joining us, and in the next video, we'll be drawing the normal and the tangent to a point P on the curve. We look forward to seeing you in part 3 of the series of videos. Take care, bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.